नमस्ते, हमेशा खुश रहो बिटिया. My name is JVN Manisha Singh. Today I am teaching you module homogenization in the subject unit operations in food industry. Discipline is food and biotechnology. Homogenization. Homogenization, also known as micronization or more simply particle size reduction, is an important process step that is executed in a number of industries: pharmaceutical, cosmetic, and biotech. Homogenization is often necessary to mix one or more substances within a liquid. This device allows the product to become micronized and suspended within the fluid so that the product becomes uniform and highly stable. The in pasteurization of milk or homogenization of milk, there is a the effects of two-stage homogenization on the fat globule is unhomogenized, mean there is the size of the molecule is 1 to 10 micrometer, and first stage means 0.5 micrometer, range is 0.2 to 2 micrometer, clusters present in the fat globule. Then in the second stage mean that is a 0.5 micrometer and range is 0.2 to 2 micrometer. This feed is come from there. This is the seed and impact ring which will regulate the size, and then this is the homogenized product and it is a valve in the homogenizer. Their application, one of the oldest application of homogenization is in milk processing. It is normally preceded by standardization, the mixing of several different milking herds and or dairies to produce a more consistent raw milk prior to processing and to prevent, reduce and delay natural separation of cream from the rest of the emulsion. The fat in the milk normally separates from the water and collects at the top. Homogenization breaks the fat into smaller sizes so it no longer separates, allowing the sale of non-separating milk at any fat specification. This is the figure of mechanical homogenizers. Then a homogenizer is a piece of laboratory or industrial equipment used for the homogenization of various types of materials such as tissue, plant, food, soil, and many other things. Many different models have been developed using various physical technologies for disruption. The pestle and mortar, already used for thousands of years, is a standard tool even in modern laboratories. More modern solutions are based on blender type of instruments, also known as the kitchen, bead mills, ultrasonic treatment known as sonication, rotor stator mechanical, high pressure, and many other physical forces. While there are many application overlaps between methods, each homogenization method has distinct advantages and disadvantages. There are often many different names for the same piece of mechanical homogenizing equipment, including cellizer, disperser, high shear mixer, homogenizer, polytron, rotor stator homogenizer, sonicator, or tissue tearer. Cell fractionation is done by the homogenizer to release the organelles from the cell, whereas older technologies just focus on the disruption of the material. Newer technologies also address quality or environmental aspects such as cross-contamination, aerosols, risk of infection, or noise. Homogenization is a very common sample preparation step prior to the analysis of nucleic acids, proteins, cells, metabolism, pathogens, and many other targets. Hope you all are satisfied by this session. This session is powered by Digital Version 2.0 Jyoti Vidyapeeth Women's University, Jaipur. If you have any query, please mention it in a comment box. I will resolve them whenever we have a live session. Thank you so much for watching this video.